Because of height or design, some signs are most effectively lifted from the top rather than being supported from the bottom. The jib attachment is the perfect tool in these situations. The jib hooks into the Chariot Bucket's rotation system and provides an elevated lifting eye with 140 degrees of rotation. The jib is rated for 200 pounds. Remember, the Chariot Bucket's capacity is 400 pounds, which includes the sign and the operator. But with today's lightweight materials, some surprisingly large signs and cabinets fall easily within the van ladder's load capacity. The front padding on the jib is made from the same material used on boat docks to keep boats from being scratched, and it's bent at a radius to give a slight amount of give. The jib attachment gives the operator the ability to see over the top of the sign for accurate placement, and it frees up hands for leveling and drilling. Once the sign is attached, the jib rotates out of the way so you can finish your work. Van ladder, the bucket truck designed to make sign work simpler.